Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I have had many requests and many questions directed at me. Can you just put foliage into a container, Astar? Is that okay? Well, I want you to know, yes it is. And you know what? Sometimes all the room needs is a little bit of green. Now, as part of the barnyard or farmhouse series, I just thought, well, today would be the perfect time to just get into a little bit of just green. And also, I've heard you all say, keep them small, Astar. Okay, so I'm keeping them small. Right, I've got this lovely container here, and I think that the more textures you can visually add into an arrangement, the better it's going to be. So we've got this lovely container here that's very rustic and shabby chicish. And then into that, I've just put a little bit of willow. Now, I could have splayed the willow out, but I just thought, you know what? I'm going to keep it really informal and rustic. And I want it to look like just outside, wandering around, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and just shove it into the container. So, and I love how, the other thing about this is I love the exterior roughness and the black, sort of like that slaty grey black of the exterior. And then I like how it just wafts up here into the lovely movement of the twisty willow. To that, I'm going to add a couple of pieces of the spiral eucalyptus. So I'm just going to put that into there. And then I've also got this lovely piece of, I want to call it ruscus, but it actually also looks like camellia. So I just want to push that into there, and that can just sit over there. So I've got this lovely lines over here. I've got this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous movement and round grey tonal values of the eucalyptus. Now, the other thing about the eucalyptus, it actually comes back into the container, and you can just see little bits of that sort of dustiness on the exterior. In fact, I think it is dust because I've had this container for a long time. Now, to that, to give a little bit more interest, I've got these lovely leucopendrums. And when you look at that little cone or tip at the end of the leucopendrum, that sort of like is reflected into here. And also, when you see the variegations and the mutations of the colours of the leaves, that colour then connects in through to the willow. So if you ever stuck, just let your eyes do the sorting out for you, and like just try and pick up those colours. So with the leucs, all I want to do is plonk those into there, and there you have something that's rustic, informal, and just green. Perfect for on a countertop, perfect for an entrance, or just sitting on a table with a few books. I love this kind of designing. So thank you to all of those who have asked if I could address the issue of just green. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing. See you again another day.